In this demonstration, I'm going to go over one of the new features in MateSmart 4.1, that is PM completion rate reporting. So I'll begin by going to the PM analysis and reporting icon, and when that screen opens, I'm going to go to the File, Print, %PMs completed menu items, and then I have a choice of any of these four formats for this report. I can also select the chart type or no chart if I prefer. I'll try % complete by technician. I'll set the date range. Click OK, and there's my report. And this report is going to give me the percentage of PMs completed by each technician. Now this is grouped by the plant. In this case we're just showing one plant, but you can choose an option that will display all plants, and that way you can compare the various plants. At the end of the report, as with all reports, especially analysis reports in MateSmart, you'll have a summary for each plant. And that's it. PM completion rate reporting.